Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register with Capital Street Fix. Okay. You go to the Forex section, select Capital Street Fix, and then click on Go to Website. Visit the site, register via Google, Facebook, or manually. Enter name, country, email, phone, and ID. If invited, enter email. You can link your account directly using Google or Facebook, or you can do it manually. You choose a title for your name, enter your first and last name, select your country, and then enter your email address, along with your phone number, plus your passport number or ID card. If you were invited to the Capital Certificates website via email, you enter that email here. If you want to receive promotional emails, you can do that by checking this box. After entering your information, click on Next Step. If you were invited to the Capital Certificates website via email, you enter that email in this section. And if you want to receive promotional emails, you can do that by checking this box. And then, after entering the information, you click on Next Step. The second part is to enter your name, date of birth, full address. And you choose a password. And I recommend using a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box. Click on I am not a robot, and then an email will be sent to you to verify your account. You go to your email, select Capital Street Fix, and then click on this link. Your account has been verified through the email, and to access your account, you click on Login. And then, you very simply click on this link. Your account has been confirmed via email, and you click on Login to access your account. Then you enter your email, along with your password, and click on Login. You will access your account, but friends, please note that to fully verify your account, you need to upload documents like an ID card, birth certificate, passport, etc. Good luck. Upload your birth certificate, passport, etc. Good luck.